In this video, I will show you how to disable real mime check on your WordPress website. So search this plugin, disable real mime check, then install and activate. Using this plugin, guys, you can restore the ability to upload non-image files in WordPress 40701 and 40702 and in the latest version. So and 40702. So install and activate and give a try to this plugin. And also guys, share your experience about this plugin. So this is a short and basic video to learn how to disable real mime check in WordPress website. Thanks for watching and please subscribe this channel.